Hi, my name's Kate Somerville, and I'm here in my clinic on Melrose Place, and I wanted to tell you about how I created ExfoliKate. So ExfoliKate was created to really transform pores and textures in just 2 minutes. It's a scrub, it's a peel, it's a mask, and it's a hydrator. So I had this really famous client at my clinic, and she was leaving to go on a movie set for about 4 months. She asked me, what can I do to keep my glow? So I mixed up this amazing formula, and she came back and she's like, you need to name this Kate in a Jar, because it was like you in the clinic were with me on set. What makes ExfoliKate really wonderful is the ingredients that are in it. So it has silica, which is natural. The other thing that it has is papaya, pineapple, and pumpkin enzymes, and those go to dissolve the dead layers of skin. So it has a little bit of lactic, a little bit of glycolic, and a little bit of salicylic, and that's really to help exfoliate on a deeper level, chlorophyll to help detoxify the skin, and it has rosewood oil to really hydrate the skin. It's my #1 product in the line. It's transformational in 2 minutes, and you do it in your shower. It's so simple.